Two languages clash, old school assembler MCs might exploring the essence of syntax, embarking on a tech odyssey. With assembler I weave magic, talking straight to the hardware, speeds my game. But for you these cryptic codes might be too arcane. Seize the tool, its readability to rule, versatile, swift, stretching from embedded to systems vast. And portability I surpass, my power touches directly CPU and memory under my sway, pushing optimizations bounds, achieving peak performance today. And it's a fertile ground for bugs, a complexity maze. C saves with abstraction, cutting through bugs with clarity's action. Easier to port across platforms we call closest to the machine. My precision is supreme, ideal for specific tasks, but in widespread use C outlasts above assembler in level, yet mighty that C's revel. We win with readability and versatility, chosen for purpose, our combined legacy. Languages converse, diving deep into code's universe. Not rivals, but allies on Tech's grand traverse. Pride in our roles, from this dual respect and endless potentials unrolls.